So today we start from the previous class. We know individual resistance, reactance due to capacitor, reactance due to inductor, graphically, phasor diagram, everything. Now we start with the reactance. What do you mean by reactance? Reactance is the total resistance offered by inductor and capacitor. So we put an inductor and capacitor connected with the circuit. Current is incoming and then it is again coming back. Phasor diagram, this is my input EMF. We know from the previous class VL, voltage lead, for the inductor and capacitive voltage lag by 90 degrees. So it is clearly visible they are opposite nature, and as they are opposite nature, Vx is VL minus VC. VL voltage due to inductor and VC voltage due to capacitor. Now see, if the current is I flow through this, so we can easily say I is the current and X is the overall reactance, that is reactance due to inductor minus reactance due to capacitor. So X is what? XL minus XC. Everyone, you got it? अब देखो, अगर इसका मतलब if examiner asks you if voltage of inductor is 10 volt and voltage of capacitor is 5 volt, what is the net voltage? So don't say 15 volt. 10 voltage minus 5 voltage. The answer is how much?
5 volts.
Huh?
5.
5. And when they are equal, so that can be 0 also. So actually, what happened? This voltage is called voltage due to inductor. This voltage is called voltage due to capacitor, and overall is called the voltage due to reactance. And actually, current is same flow in case of a series circuit. So overall reactance is XL minus XC. So that's why X, that is XL, which is omega L minus 1 by omega C. That is my overall reactance or resistance. SI unit. Ohm in case of inductor and capacitor. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So after reactance, you can write impedance. After reactance, you can write impedance. So impedance, in impedance, what happened? You have an extra resistance, and as you have an extra resistance, that means now this is your Vx and this is your VR, and overall this impedance is represented by the symbol Z. So impedance is represented by the symbol Z. Is it clear, everyone? And we know from the we know from here that in case of pure resistor, voltage due to resistor is along the this. Is it clear? Hello. This VR is okay, everyone? Now I have two options. Either VL greater than VC. When VL greater than VC, see I is same current flowing. So we can say when XL greater than XC, my VL is greater than VC. So when VL is greater than VC, my Vx is in that side. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So in that case, my resultant Z is in this direction. And if my XC greater than XL, so my net is in this direction. ওইখানে একটা না ওই আমার কাছে দেখো তার ব্রাশ দিয়েছি তুমি can use it. So is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
So we can realize one more thing. We can realize that either VL is greater than VX or VX is less than VC. In both cases, VX is always 90 degree with VR. Is it clear? So if we write this one is VR, which is the baseline, Vx is always 90 degree with this. Can we say that?
Yes,
It can
sir.
be plus 90 or minus 90, but always 90 degree. And this is my Vz. This angle is called the phi, means phase angle. So first of all, from the Pythagoras theorem, we can easily say that Vz is equals to V of R square plus V of X square, isn't it? Is it okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see, as it is a series connection, same current flow. Same current flow. Yes or no? So we can say I into Z. That is IR whole square plus IX whole square. So we can take I common bahar. What we have R square plus X square. That is my Z. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And now see, so this resistance is called the impedance, which is the overall net final resistance of the AC circuit. Why I'm saying final? Because overall means if your R is 0, so Z is equals to X, matlab the impedance is equals to reactance. If your XL and XC are equal, then your X is 0, then impedance is equals to pure resistance. Otherwise, impedance is the overall resistance. Overall means in the circuit total resistance. Now, which one present, on that basis we have to take my action. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Lolita, okay, একটু দেখো না। Everyone done?
Sir, please wait. One more very important thing from here, we realize that the main thing is not my Vx, Vr or Vz. My main thing is, because I after that they all are cancelled. Vr, that means it is actually the pure resistance. Vx, that is it is actually the reactance, and Vz, it is actually the overall impedance. Is it clear, everyone? That finally we prove that one, na? Z is equals to root under R square plus X square. Everyone, is it okay? আর একবার বলো।
আরে আমরা ফাইনালি তো Z equals to root under R square plus X square পুট করলাম না?
হ্যাঁ।
করলাম না? তো আমার ফাইনাল ব্যাপারটা কি দাঁড়াচ্ছে? রেজিস্ট্যান্স, ইন্ডাক্টর আর ইম্পিডেন্স, মানে রেজিস্ট্যান্স, রিঅ্যাকট্যান্স আর
ইম্পিডেন্স, হ্যাঁ।
এই রিলেশনটাই মেইন হচ্ছে না? And from here, tan phi phase angle perpendicular by base. Can we write this? Can we write this?
Yes, sir.
And your overall current
your overall current or EMF, lead or lag with respect to input, what is the phase angle, and everything you can find out with this phasor diagram. See, phi angle lead, phi angle lag, whatever. Is it clear? Now I just want to show you first some numerical, then you understand. Please note down up to this. Power factor or not, except that we can solve all the questions. আমি just দেখাচ্ছি তোদেরকে দেখ। One by one, we can try some numerical. Question number one. 100 Hz AC is 100 Hz. Frequency is 100 Hz. 100 Hz AC is flowing in a 14 millihenry coil. Find its reactance. So anyone tell me, what is the formula of reactance?
Omega L.
Omega L. What do you mean by omega? 2 pi.
Q pi nu.
What do you mean by 222 by 7 into frequency is 100. L is 14 into 10 to the power minus. So now you can solve it. 2 44 44 88 into 10 to the power minus 1. That is 8.8 ohm. If I'm not wrong, 8.8 ohm. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So the next question, see, question number 2. A coil has an inductance. A coil has an inductance 1 Henry. At what frequency? Question number 1. At what frequency? At what frequency will it have a reactance of? Will it have a reactance of 314.2 ohm? This is the first part of the question. Now the second part, what should be the capacitance of the capacitor which has the same reactance at that frequency? What should be the capacitance, means what is the value of C? What should be the capacitance of the capacitor which has same reactance? Mane XL and XC are same at the same frequency. मतलब ये जो frequency निकाला उतना ही frequency. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Resonance.
Resonance. Yes, sir.
So it is given 314. That is XL omega L. Omega is 2 pi F into 1 A. 1 is given. So F is what? 314.2 by 2 divided by 2 into this. That means we get 50 Hertz. Now you need XC. Okay. Hello. So XC is also 314.2. The question is that, what is the question? Question is, what should be the capacitance of a capacitor which has the same reactance? Mane, they are same, XL and XC are same. Now you can write 1 by omega C. So this is 2 pi into frequency is 50 Hertz into C. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this one you can write pi into 100, which help you to calculate. C is equals to 1 by 2 into pi square into 100 into 50. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So which is equals to 10 to the power 4 into pi square, তাই তো? हेलो এতখানি বুঝতে পারলি?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तुम लोग याद रखना, as calculator is not allowed, pi square is 10.
স্যার দেখতে পাচ্ছি না।
আবার স্যার অফ হয়ে গেছে।
Just
Stop it.
stuck.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Now okay.
everyone understand?
Sir, আমি এই
হ্যাঁ।
পাই স্কয়ারটা ক্যালকুলেট করলাম তো আমার এলো 9.859.
পাই করতে যাস না, পাই স্কয়ারের ভ্যালু 10 লিখবি, যখন ক্যালকুলেটর নট অ্যালাউড, পাই স্কয়ার ইজ 10, তার কি করতে হবে
আচ্ছা অ্যাপ্রক্সিমেটলি নিয়ে নেব।
না, কারণ 3.1 কত 14 তারপরেও আছে না, তুই তো ওইটা নেগলেক্ট করছিস না ওই পার্টটা,
আচ্ছা
ঠিক আছে?
হুম
অ্যাপ্রক্সিমেটলি 10ই আসে, হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে। तो एगुलो छोटा छोटा जिनिस, ये सब छोटा छोटा बातें तुम लोगों को याद रखना पड़ेगा कैलकुलेशन के टाइम, ठीक है?
yes sir.
रोहित सायंतरा
স্যার আবার অফ হয়ে গেছে, স্টপ হয়ে গেছে।
আজকে নেট কানেকশন বাজে।
A capacitor, a resistance of 12 ohm, and a capacitor of reactance 14 ohm, and a pure inductor of inductance 0.1 Henry are joined in series and placed across a 220 volt, joined in series and 200 volt, 50 hertz AC supply. ठीक है, रेजिस्टेंस दिया है 12 ओम, रिएक्टेंस दिया है 14 ओम, इंडक्टेंस दिया है 0.1 हेनरी, are connected in series across joint
স্যার ওটা কি এক্সি না এক্সএল?
XC14, L হচ্ছে 0.1 হেনরি। ওকে,
আচ্ছা কি বার করতে হবে?
আরে শোন তো, বলতেই তো দিচ্ছিস না আমাকে। এসি সাপ্লাই, ক্যালকুলেট নাম্বার 1 কারেন্ট ইন দ্য সার্কিট, নাম্বার 2 phase angle between the current and the voltage, মানে you have to find out phase angle. Clear?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Try this. But দেখো, XL, that is omega L, that is 2 into 22/7 into frequency is 50 into 0.1. So how much?
স্যার 3.14 নাও না, তাহলে পরে ওই যে পয়েন্টটাকে সরানো যাবে।
220/7 এটা বলবো।
31.4 আসছে এটার आंसर ওম। 31.4
হ্যাঁ 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 হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ 31.4।
31/4 আছে।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, এখানে না একটা জিনিস আছে, সরি it's my fault. It is given the value of pi is 3. To use the value of pi is 3. Okay. Okay. So if we use value of pi, it is given in the question. Take pi equals to 3. আমি দেখিনি. Okay. You can use the value of pi is 3. So if we use pi equals to 3, so what we have 3 into 10, that is 30 ohm. Is it clear? Everyone now?
yes sir.
So if it is 30, then what about X? XL minus XC. See, it is clear XL is greater than XC. So 30 minus 14, that is 16 ohm. Okay. So Z, that is R square plus X square, which is 12 square plus 16 square. So 12 means 144. 16 means how much? 256. What you get? 220 ohm. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what about current? Current is, this voltage is RMS voltage. This current is also the RMS current. 200 by 20, that is 10 ampere. Okay. Everyone is
Yes.
it okay? And the second thing, phi, that is tan inverse X by R. So tan inverse X is how much? 16, R is how much? 12. So tan inverse 4 by 3. And as I said you, 4 by 3 means 53 degree.
আসলে ওটা 3 নিনি তো তাই এলো না।
আমি জানি, আমি তো বললামই আমি ভুল করেছি। Is it clear everyone?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Yes, sir.
So देखो, without knowing anything, you can solve all these things. Okay, if you know the proper use of X, proper use of R, proper use of XL and cos phi. With this, I can want to show you one more thing. Derivation at the দরকার নেই। P average, that is the average power consumption. Okay, that is actually integration of P dt by dt. Here in P you have EI dt by dt, 0 to full time period 2 pi by omega, 0 to 2 pi by omega. Now as we know, E is Em sin omega t into I is Im sin omega t plus or minus phi dt by dt, মানে 2 pi by omega, 2 pi by omega. So now from here, sin omega t cos omega t plus or minus, when you solve it, this you get basically E average is E RMS I RMS cos phi. तो मुझे सिर्फ इससे मतलब है, बाकी किसी चीज से मतलब नहीं है in terms of entrance sector. When you solve this, you get cos phi, then sin square omega t, the rest part is 0, and you can get this formula. When you get this formula, this cos phi is called the power factor. And how you get the value of cos phi? Very simple. This one is my R, this one is my X, this one is my Z. This angle is phi. So what do you mean by cos phi? Base upon hypotenuse
by Z.
R by Z. So you just remember that part. Your power factor, that is R by Z from this AC triangle. Okay. So in any question, like in the previous one, question, I know E, that is 200, that is the RMS value, and I RMS also 10, and phi is 4 by 3, that is tan phi, means 53 degree. So if they ask you what is the power consumed in the circuit, so 200, that is the RMS value. Remember, this is the RMS value, that is E RMS is E maximum by √2. If they not give you the value in terms of peak, then it is the RMS value. So we can write directly RMS value cos phi. So what do you mean by cos? Cos, then how much? 53 degree. So if this one is my base, this one, sorry, perpendicular, this one is my base, theta, and this is hypotenuse. So cos 53 degree at the base upon hypotenuse. So what we can write? 210 into 3 by 5. So we can cancel this 400 into 3, 4 আর 3 4 12, এত watt. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So you can calculate the power consumption also. Done. কুইরা খাওটা আমার বাড়ির কুত্তাটা দিন বা দিন কুইরা হয়ে যাচ্ছে, বিছানা থেকে নামেই না। After that, I want to show you one more thing. That is, what is resonating frequency? Okay. So see, if you use LC circuit or if you use LRC circuit, okay. I just want to show you both. First, suppose LC circuit and then LCR circuit. So in LC circuit, XL, that is omega L, XC, that is 1 by omega C, X, that is XL minus XC. So in case of LC circuit, Z is X because R is 0, right? And I maximum, that is E maximum by Z, which is X. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So now when your omega is 0, see this one is 0, this one is infinity, 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 0. When your omega is infinity, this one is infinity, 0, infinity, infinity, 0. Okay. And if it is LCR circuit, then also your Z is root under R square plus X square. Then also this one is infinity, this one is 0. Is it clear? First, it's a LC circuit. Is it clear? Yes or no?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Yes, sir.
স্যার দাঁড়াও কপি করে নি একটু।
আরে আগে শোন তো তারপরে কপি করিস। So what happens? See, when the omega is 0, XL is 0, XC is infinity. And when the omega is infinity, XL is infinity, XC is 0. So basically what happened, initially the one is very down and one is very large. And when the reverse thing happened, when omega become infinity, one is infinity, one is 0. So that কি হচ্ছে, এরকম ভাবে চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে, এর যে চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে একটা সময় ওরা ইকুয়াল হবে, এক টাইম আয়েগা जब दोनों इक्वल होगा।
Sir.
When the omega is 0, XL is 0 and XC is infinity. When omega is infinity, XL is infinity, XC is 0. तो कभी तो दोनों इक्वल होगा।
Yes, sir.
जब दोनों इक्वल होता है उस फ्रीक्वेंसी को बोला जाता है रेजोनेटिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी। So at resonating frequency, हमेशा याद रखना XL is equals to XC. As the resonating frequency, XL is equals to XC. What do you mean by XL? Omega L. What do you mean by XC? Omega C. So omega square is LC. Omega is root under LC. और इसी को हम 2 pi frequency बोल सकते हैं। तो frequency is 1 by 2 pi into 1 by LC. So at resonating frequency, as XL is XC, so what about X? XL minus XC equals to 0. So Z is equals to X equals to 0. What about I? EM by Z, which is 0, so infinity. Is it clear? Okay.
X. Sir, X is equal to XL minus XC ওই জায়গাটা থেকে একটু বলো না।
আরে XL যদি XC ইকুয়াল হয়ে যায় তাহলে X কত হয়ে যাবে? 0
ও
হবে
হ্যাঁ
না?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ 0 0 0।
X যদি 0 হয় আর নেই তাহলে Z ও 0 হবে না?
হ্যাঁ LC সার্কিটে 0 হ্যাঁ।
যদি Z 0 হয় তাহলে IM 0 হবে। তাহলে यहाँ पे एक ही प्रॉब्लम है, करंट मेरा इंफिनिटी हो जाएगा। तो एलसी सर्किट का रेजोनेंस में एक ही प्रॉब्लम है, करंट इंफिनिटी हो जाने का मतलब है करंट तुम्हारा कंट्रोल में नहीं है। Are you getting my point? तो यहाँ पे अगर मैं रेजिस्टेंस Z या X का ग्राफ ड्रॉ करूं, तो जब मेरा ओमेगा इक्वल्स टू ओमेगा आर, माई Z इज 0, अदरवाइज Z इज इंफिनिटी। सी, तो ये ऐसे आएगा, एंड इन दैट टाइम करंट इसका ठीक रिवर्स होगा। ये होगा करंट। So the only problem is that you are not able to control it because it's an infinity, right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone got it? तुम्हें चाहिए तो इसको नोट डाउन या स्क्रीनशॉट जो करना है जल्दी करो।
স্যার গ্রাফটা কি করে ড্র করলে একটু বলো না।
अरे initially the Z is infinity and
Yes.
then it is decreasing and zero, কখন রেজোনেটিং এ, তারপরে আবার বেড়ে ইনফিনিটির দিকে যাবে। আর রুট না, তাই জন্য এরকম ভাবে মানে স্ট্রেট ফল করবে না, কার্ভ এ ফল করবে। কারেন্ট ইনিশিয়ালি when the omega is 0, current is 0. When the omega is resonating frequency, current is maximum infinity, and then again fall down and 0. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. সেই গ্রাফটা মনে রাখতে হবে তো যে কেমন দেখতে ব্যাস।
Now see, instead of LCR, if we use LCR, my only difference is here we can write Z, that is R square plus X square. So at resonating, Z is not 0, Z is R. Is it clear? So my resistance is not infinity, current is not infinity, current is maximum. And Z is not 0, this is minimum. Are you getting my point? Okay. Is it okay? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So it
Yes,
makes
sir.
it's make a very big deal. Why? See, now my resistance is not 0. We have a proper value of resistance, that is the pure resistance. And my current is not infinity, my current is maximum. So I can control this current. Okay, and that's why it's a very, very important. Okay, and how you remember this? Whenever you get XL equals to XC, that means whenever you have XL equals to XC, that means real is VC, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I just এতখানি হয়ে গেছে। হ্যালো, লিখলিয়া?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
সরিয়ে দিই?
হ্যাঁ।
Sharon,
Yes, sir.
Sharon,
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है ना?
हाँ, sir.
Okay, now see, Q factor, very, very important thing, Q factor. Q factor. देखो Q factor में क्या होता है कि now we know in case of LCR circuit, so Q factor is specified for LCR circuit. LCR circuit, that peak value you get when the omega equals to omega R, and you can change this Q factor, or you can change this sharpness. Let it be Q1, let it be Q2, let it be Q3. So you can say किसका Q factor ज्यादा है? Q1 greater than Q2 greater than Q3. मतलब जिसका ये है करंट, ये है ओमेगा, जिसका शार्पनेस ज्यादा उसका Q factor ज्यादा. Is it okay everyone?
Yes.
Now what is this Q factor? Q factor is the, you can explain it in two ways. One, it is the ratio of resonating resistance, inductor or capacitor by resistance. Mane, it is the ratio of resistance of reactance or resistance of reactance by pure resistance. Mane, inductor and capacitor by resistor in case of resonating frequency. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Or you can say it in one more way, that is the resonating frequency by bandwidth. What is bandwidth? Suppose at this is my peak value, I maximum, and this is my RMS value. What do you mean by RMS? Maximum value by √2, isn't it? समझ में आया? हेलो,
আরেকবার বলো।
So কি বললেন স্যার?
ম্যাক্সিমাম ভ্যালু হচ্ছে পিক ভ্যালু আর এইটা হচ্ছে আরএমএস ভ্যালু। তাহলে আরএমএস ভ্যালু क्या होगा? मैक्सिमम वैल्यू बाय √2।
यस सर।
ऑब्वियसली आरएमएस वैल्यू इज लेस देन मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, तो आरएमएस वैल्यू में यहाँ पे एक विड्थ मिलेगा ना फ्रॉम द सेंटर। हाँ,
यस सर।
that width is called the bandwidth, and that width you can calculate, but no need to calculate for entrance exam. You can remember that is R by L. Bandwidth is R by L. Okay.
यस सर।
दाराव चलो, bandwidth is R by L. So see, you can use this one or this one, you get the same result. Let me check. XL, what do you mean by XL? Omega L by R. What do you mean by omega? 1 by √LC into L by R. That means 1 by R √L by C. Is it clear?
यस सर।
Same way you can use, instead of XL, you can use XC and you get the same answer. Now, if we use resonating frequency by bandwidth, that is 1 by √LC by R by L. So now what we have, 1 by R √L by C. So you get the same value now. ठीक है?
यस सर।
Hello. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
So they can ask you different question. They can ask you bandwidth कितना है, किसका bandwidth ज्यादा है, किसका bandwidth कम है. If we increase the length, then bandwidth में क्या होगा? Decrease. If we increase the resistance, bandwidth में क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? If we increase the resistance, Q factor क्या होगा? If we increase LQ factor क्या हो सकता है? If you decrease the CQ factor क्या हो सकता है? Band Q factor is the ratio of this XL by XC, ऐसा क्वेश्चन दे सकता है. They can give you this graph and then they ask you किसका resistance ज्यादा है. देखो, Q is maximum, Q2 then Q3. Is it clear?
यस सर।
সর্বাণী আমার মনে হয় তোদের এটা বোর্ড এক্সামেও জিজ্ঞেস করেছিল যে কার কিউ ফ্যাক্টর মানে কার রেজিস্ট্যান্স বেশি, দেখ 1/r, তাহলে जिसका কিউ फैक्टर ज्यादा है उसका रेजिस्टेंस कम होगा। মনে পড়ছে?
স্যার এটা প্রি বোর্ডস এর জিজ্ঞেস করেছিল।
না, প্রি বোর্ডস এর রেশিও জিজ্ঞেস করেছিল তোদের, তোদের স্কুলে তোদের বা তোদের আগে জিজ্ঞেস করেছিল আগের বছরে যে কার রেজিস্ট্যান্স বেশি। প্রি বোর্ডস এ তো জিজ্ঞেস করেছিল কিউ ফ্যাক্টর ইজ হুইচ ওয়ান ইজ দ্য রাইট অপশন। তো সবাই এটা মুখস্থ করে যায়, ওখানে অপশন ছিল রেশিও অফ রিঅ্যাক্টেন্স বাই রেজিস্ট্যান্স। দ্য আনসার ইজ রিঅ্যাক্টেন্স বাই রেজিস্ট্যান্স। ওকে, যে অপশনটা শুট করে আর কি, ঠিক আছে? এভরিওয়ান ইউ গট ইট হোয়াট আই ওয়ান্ট টু সে। আর কিউ ফ্যাক্টর দিয়ে কি করা হয়, যত কিউ ফ্যাক্টর বাড়বে তত শার্পনেস বাড়বে, ঠিক আছে? আন্ডারস্টুড?
Yes, sir.
So देखो, except your transformer, except your এটাকে কি বলে, এটাকে কি বলে, except your transformer, except your LC oscillator. Process क्या है? To find out current, you need Z, EMF and Z. Z is root under R square plus X square. X is XL minus XC. अच्छा, तुम्हें पूछ सकता है कि phase angle, lead or lag. So you know the graph, and then on the basis of that you can decide the lead or lag. At the same time, how you get the phase angle? Tan phi is perpendicular by base, mane X by R. What about the power factor? Cos phi is R by Z, and power average power consumption is ERMS IRMS cos phi, and Q factor is ratio of X by R, means XL by R or XC by R, or omega R by bandwidth. Bandwidth is R by L, and that is 1 by R root under L by C, and Q factor depends the sharpness. कितना Q factor जाएगा, it is the ratio. अब देखो एक क्वेश्चन दिखाता है, देखो the question is that a resistor of 50 ohm and an inductor 20 by pi Henry at a capacitor 5 by pi microfarad are connected in series to a voltmeter 200 volt, 50 hertz. Now tell me, this voltage is RMS value or peak value?
RMS value, sir.
Always RMS value. Now the first question is impedance of the circuit. What do you mean by impedance? What you want to find out?
Z.
Very good, Z. How you find out the Z? R square
R
plus
square
X.
plus
That
X.
means you have to find out R square plus XL minus
L
XC.
minus XC whole square.
For that you need X, you need L. So XL, how you get XL? Omega L. Omega is 2 pi frequency. Frequency is 50. L is 20 by pi. Pi cancel. So how much you have? Axo into 20. That means 22,000, right? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, what about XC? 1 by omega C, 1 by 2 pi, frequency is 50, into C is 5 by pi, micro means 10 to the power minus 6. Pi cancel. So what you have? 1 by 5 into axo, that means 10 to the power minus 4. That is 10 to the power 4 by 5. That is 10,000.
2 into 10 to the power 3.
5, that is 2,000 ohm. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is very clear. X is equal
Resonance.
to minus XC. So 2,000 minus 2,000 equals to 0. That means it is also clear that the value given is in resonating frequency. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So as it is a resonating frequency, Z is equals to pure
R.
resistance. That is equals to 550 ohm. Done?
Yes, sir.
Now the second part of the question is that current through the circuit. So I can find out, I know the total resistance, I know the total voltage. So is it very tough to find out the current? 200 by 50, that is 4 ampere. Now tell me that current is RMS value or peak value?
RMS.
And examiner can ask you find out the peak value. So what is the formula of peak value? IRMS is Im by √2. So √2 into RMS value. Are you getting my point? So √2 into 4, mane 4 √2 ampere. If they ask you maximum value, clear?
Yes.
Now individual voltage of R, L, and C. Individual voltage of R. So current is 4 ampere, resistance is 50, that is 200 volt. Individual voltage of क्या बोला है? R, L, and C. So what about the L? That is the 4 into 2000, that is 8000 volt. VC, that is 4 into 2000, that is 8000 volt. अब दिखाया बोला है show that the net, show that their net addition of voltage is not equal to the input. Obviously ये 8000 8000 16000 plus 200 16200 होगा, लेकिन net is 200 because it's not the normal addition, it is the vector addition where VZ is root under VR square plus VX square and VX is VL minus VC equals to 0. तो देखो अगर XL and XC इक्वल होगा, VL and VC को इक्वल होना ही पड़ेगा, है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Now if they ask you what is the power factor, average power consumed, P average, sorry, average power consumed. So you have voltage 200, you have current 4 and cos phi. तो देखो cos phi क्या हो जा रहा है? R by Z is equals to R, which is 1.
Yes, sir.
So 1. So in case of resonating frequency, your average power consumption is maximum. Your power factor is maximum, that is 1. ऐसा मत करना यहाँ से phi का वैल्यू 0 निकाल दो, phi तो तुम्हें बोला ही नहीं है, तुम्हें तो बोला ही है. अच्छा, now if they ask you what is the phase difference between current and voltage, in that case your angle is how much?
0.
So what is your phase difference between the current and the voltage?
0.
0 হবে.
Okay, so you can reply any answer if you know the process. বাকিটা তো হচ্ছে ফালতু কা এলআর করেছে, সিআর করেছে, এলসিআর করেছে, এলসি করেছে,
ফর্মুলা তো স্যার একই না।
हाँ,
ফর্মুলা তো সেমই সবার জন্যই।
बेसिक आइडिया ये है, तुम्हें वोल्टेज देखना है, क्या है, जेड निकालना है, और जेड मतलब ये है मेरा बेसिक आइडिया. यहाँ पे एक्सएल यहाँ से मिलेगा, एक्सी यहाँ से मिलेगा, कोरिलेट देम, फाइंड आउट द नेट, देन जो मांगेगा करो. दैट मच इजी. ओके,
স্যার তাহলে অলওয়েজ আই আরএমএস ই দেবে তো, মানে ওইভাবে
Always.
ভাবতে হবে না, আই আরএমএস ই হবে।
কিছু লেখা না থাকলে ওটা আরএমএস. ওকে, am I clear? In case of current and voltage, if it is not written anything, if it is not mentioned anything, what do you mean by if it is not mentioned? মানে peak value বা maximum value, this type of word is not there, that means they are RMS, right?
Yes, sir.
So many good questions are there in your Akash and all this. Okay, you can try them. So many tricky questions is there. Tan phi is that much. So then what is the value of this? এরকম খুব ভালো ভালো questions আছে. You can try them. Tomorrow we discuss all these questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'm stopping my recording.
Okay, sir.